Today, I'm teaching you guys how you guys can view your followers on your Facebook. So it's pretty simple. After opening Facebook, just click on menu at the bottom right, and then at the top, it's going to show you your profile picture along with your Facebook name. Click on it, and it's going to take it to your Facebook profile. Now, once you're in your Facebook profile, at the top, it already shows me 3 followers. I can click on the 3 followers and it's going to show me the people who is following me. Just make sure you're on the follower section. If you're in the following section, it's going to show you the people you follow. But if you're in the follower section, it's going to show you the people who follow you. That is one way. The other way is when you're in your Facebook profile. Just click on the 3 dot at the side and click on words as activity log. Inside activity log, you can see this option called connections. Click on connections and click on where it says manage followers. And once you're in manage followers at the top, you can see the option called filters. Click on filters and click on words as category. And on categories, you want to choose people who followed you. Once you click on people who followed you, it's going to show you the list of followers you have. Now, only have 2 followers. That's why it's only showing me 2 names. But if you have tons of followers, this place is going to be filled with followers' name. Alright, but yeah, that is how you guys can view your followers in Facebook. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel for future videos just like this, related with Facebook. I'll see you guys in my next video, and have a nice day.